يا لغتي عربية حسبي بأنك منطقي وبياني عربية قلبي وروحي أحرفي.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا صلى الله عليه وآله وصحبه وسلم. But as you all know that we started a session of Arabic grammar, so we are just taking this session as the basic of Arabic grammar. So in this session I want to introduce today's topic. Today's topic will be about Haft Aqsam, the 7 types of irregular words in Arabic. Okay, so we will define and we will learn the definitions of each one, or we will define these all things with example, so it will be more easy for you people, inshallah. Okay, with the help of Allah, we will write here. I will not write all these 7 types and I will not teach in this one video all these 7 types. I will teach you one single type, like the first type is called Sahih, the accurate. Okay, we can say durust. Okay, okay, no objection in this on that word in Arabic. So first of all, if we summarize these 7 types, we can take these 7 types in a bait and in a little poetry, 2-line poetry, as you studied in your Sarf books. Sahih as wa misal as wa muzaf, lafif wa naqis, mahmuz wa ajwaf. Okay, so there I will write this bait. If you want to write in your notebook, you can also write. Okay, so here, sorry, Sahih as wa misal as wa muza'af. Okay, lafif is. Okay, in English we use is. It's the Farsi word as. Okay, as mean is. Not to think more about it. Okay, so I will write first of all Sahih. What does the Sahih means? Okay, Sahih means in English accurate. Accurate, the accurate word. Okay, so Sahih. If we want to know about Sahih, we should know about 3 things before knowing of Sahih. Okay, so first of all, before to go to the definition of Sahih, we will write here some word. You must learn about it. Without learning these 3 words, you cannot clear your concepts about Sahih. Okay, so first thing is huroof-e-illat. It is ha. Okay, huroof-e-illat. And the second thing is huroof-e-illat. After huroof-e-illat is taz'if. Okay, taz'if. And the third thing is hamza. Okay, so here huroof-e-illat mean in Arabic grammar waw, alif and ya. These 3 things are the huroof-e-illat of our Arabic grammar, and these 3 things are vowels in Arabic. So without these things, if any sigha came, so it's out from other types. Okay, like this thing waw, alif, ya, and another thing, the doubling of a thing. Okay, I will write here taz'if, like 2 huruf of 1 category. Okay, we can call it taz'if, muz'af hona, to be muz'af. Okay, I will write for taz'if like zalzala, zalzala. Okay, zalzala. This za is of one category and za is of 1 category. Lam is of 1 category and lam is of 1 category. Okay, it is taz'if. Okay, so without taz'if, it is taz'if like a harf came twice, okay? Like za is harf, it came twice here, okay? It will be taz'if. And hamza, you all know about hamza, that hamza an alif with harakat, fatha, kasra, zamma or jaza. It will called hamza, okay? So my main goal for teaching you is that we will teach about Sahih. What is Sahih, okay? Sahih, the accurate one. A word which has no huroof-e-illat, no taz'if, and no hamza. Amongst fa, ayn and lam, okay? Fa, ayn and lam, fa'ala, okay? Amongst these three things, there will be not huroof-e-illat, taz'if, and hamza. It will be the Sahih one, the accurate one, okay? If there come, okay, if here come the huroof-e-illat wow, it would not be the Sahih. It here come the hamza, it will not be the Sahih. It in fa'il lam came two huruf of one jins, okay? Okay, like zazara, zazara, okay, zazara. It will be also not the accurate. What will be the accurate sigha? What will be the accurate one? The accurate one will be like zwaraba, like qadaha, qadaha, okay? Like sharaba or sharbun, whatever, okay? So the main thing you have to notice about this thing, that amongst fa, ayn and lam, you will not bring a harf which will be from these three things, which will be from huroof-e-illat, which will be from taz'if, and which will be from hamza category, okay? So if you do not do this mistake, so your sigha will be the Sahih one, okay? The Sahih. So in Quran, in Hadith, in fiqh, in other Arabic books, there came both sighas, Sahih, the accurate and the non-accurate sigha, okay? The regular sighas and the irregular sighas, they both came. So our goal is to find a sigha. We will categorize this sigha. We will we should know about this sigha. Is this sigha accurate or non-accurate, regular or irregular, okay? So it is the regular sigha. Fa, ayn, lam, zaraba barwazni, okay? Zaraba barwazni fa'ala, qadaha barwazni fa'ala, sharbun barwazni fa'alun, okay? So this is the type of Sahih. So I will give you some homework for you people, like write 3 sighas on comment. Inshallah, it will benefit to other students also, and it will a big help of your memorization, and it will inshallah make this lecture easy for you. Like Sahih, zaraba barwazni fa'ala, qadaha or shurbun. I write here 3 sighas. 3 sighas are upon you people. You should write to these people. So I will see that how is our lecture going on, and if our teaching method is hard for you people, because we teach advanced studies, so we can make this method more easy for you people, more easy and more easy, inshallah. Okay, so you inshallah we think that you understand about Sahih, that accurate sigha, what is the accurate. So in another lecture we will study about the another 6 types one by one, okay, inshallah. Sahih wa misal wa muzaf, lafif wa naqis, mahmuz wa ajwafa, they are all remaining, okay? The Sahih has no any sub branches, okay? Like misal has sub branches, muzaf has sub branches, lafif has sub branches, okay? So naqis has sub branches, etc. So the Sahih has not any sub branches. This is the main and the first and the end branch of the Sahih, okay? So the Sahih is zwaraba barwazni fa'ala, qadaha barwazni fa'ala, sharbun barwazni shurbun barwazni fu'lun, okay? Inshallah, if you have any question, you can ask.